Radhe Krishna. My name is Anna Rajesh. I am studying second standard A section. My school name is Magadashi Vidya Mandir. I am going to tell Bhagavad Gita chapter 4 slokas. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Ata Chaturthodhyayah. Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktamanaham Avyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manudekshva